Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll show you how to measure the distance between elements in EasyEDA PCB. So you can quickly check spacing during layout and make sure everything meets your design requirements. First, open the PCB editor. From the top menu, click Choose and choose Measure Distance. Or you can simply use the shortcut Alt and M. Once it's enabled, click on the first reference point on the PCB canvas, then click on the second one. The system will instantly display the measurement, including the distance, the angle, and both millimeters and units. This is very useful for checking the actual spacing between components, paths, or checks. There's another way to do this as well. Click this icon and select length, or just press N on your keyboard. Then click the start point and the end point on the canvas, and a length dimension will be generated directly on the PCB. This is especially helpful during the layout stage or when you want to leave clear size annotation in your design. With these two methods, you can easily measure and mark distance between PCB elements, making your layout more clear and accurate. That's all for this session. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.